Back at it again with the Pinterest inspired makeup challenge. This is look 2 of 30 and it's neon makeup. I made a little oopsie in this makeup look, so here's a little bit of context behind it. So I primed my eyes with the Essence Flawless Skin concealer, and then I set it in place with the lighter shade in the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Then I went in with this earthy warm tone color, which was a massive mistake because as soon as I added the yellow, it turned out to look a bit more mustard and muted, which I didn't like, so I had to wipe it off and then repeat that entire process. But this time I just went directly in with the yellow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and this really popped, and it was exactly what I was looking for in terms of like neon yellow, super bright and colorful. And I was thinking to myself, how can I really make this look unique and make it stand out? So I decided impulsively on a cut crease, which I haven't done in literally years, so this was very brave and bold of me to attempt. But either way, I don't think I did too shabby. I mean, it looks okay. My eyes are slightly hooded, so I had to improvise as well. As you can see, I'm like, it's okay. But then as soon as I added this beautiful shimmer neon green color, that absolutely made it look beautiful and pop, and I just love this color combination. Now I kind of felt like I might have messed it up just a little bit by adding pink in my inner corners, but then I later on fixed that. But then I just wanted to start getting on with my face so that I can maybe see what I can do to make the eyes look better. The products I used here are pretty self-explanatory. My previous video does show like all the products on screen, but yeah, this foundation oxidizes a lot and it's most definitely not my shade at all. But I'm just finishing it up, and then the next time I get this foundation, because I love this foundation so much, I'll most definitely get a lighter shade, because this is the shade I usually wear in summer. And at the moment it's not looking good because I am extremely pale. Please give me some blush recommendations in the comments down below, because I love Essence blushes and I still have so many. But I'm the type of person that loves to experiment with different types of products, so please let me know what blushes are really worth it, whether it be high-end or affordable blushes. I'm open to suggestions, and thank you so much. So I'm kind of yapping a lot in this video, but I thought like, let me not tell you each and every product I'm using, because that's like so boring. It's kind of self-explanatory. The reason for the purple light in the background is I really feel like it makes the neon colors pop, so I'm so excited to see what look I'll be doing next and what color my background's gonna be, because that just makes it so much more fun. But anyway, this is the look, and yo, this is what my hand looks like after I've done my makeup. Can anyone relate? Thank you so much if you stuck around till this far, and stay tuned for my next look in my makeup challenge series.